Hello guys. Oh, today I'm going to be making my sauerkraut. Sauerkraut is a fermented food that may help support your gut health by introducing beneficial bacteria into your digestive system. Well, you'll be needing just very simple ingredients for this. Your cabbage and your salt. Guys, if you have watched to this point, please subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up and drop a comment below. So I'll go ahead to shred my cabbage thinly. So if you haven't tried making or eating sauerkraut, this is the sign to go and do so. Sauerkraut is rich in probiotics, which are amazing for your gut microbiome. You know, a healthy gut is linked to a stronger immune system, which can greatly impact your mood and your brain as well. But after shredding my cabbage, I would set aside the outer skin of the cabbage. I would also be setting aside the cabbage core, which we'll use in this recipe. Then with clean hands, I'll work on the cabbage till it begins to form its own juice. You have to do this very patiently and do it effectively. So I'm going to continue to massage it, and I added some salt and continue to work on it. So just continue to massage and massage till it begins to form its own juice. And here you can see that the texture has changed, and you can see the juice right there. This is exactly how it should be. It should have this liquid coming out of it. So now you can see that cabbage can actually release its own juice, and this juice, guys, is everything. So you look for a clean glass jar and put in all your shredded cabbage. Make sure it's clean and make sure it's glass. Okay, I'll prefer using my clean hands than to use gloves because I wouldn't want any kind of plastic to get into this. So I'm done putting my cabbage into the glass jar. So I'm going to pour in all the juice and make sure it's properly submerged. You can use a fist. You can use a fist to make sure you push everything down till you see the juice on top of it like this. You need to see the juice on top. This has to be properly done. So the next thing is to carry your outer cabbage leaves and to push it down. Make sure you push it down till you can see the liquid, just as you can see in the video. This is to make sure that everything is properly submerged in the juice, literally, to make sure all the cabbage is right down. And this core I'm putting in is to put more weight and pressure in it. Cover and leave it for 6 weeks to ferment. Make sure you put it in a dark place. If you can't stand a very tangy taste, you can leave it for 7 days and that's going to be okay. For me, I left mine for 6 weeks and look at how it's looking. This actually tasted surprisingly delicious, and I love sauerkraut, and I'd advise anybody who wants a very healthy gut health to try sauerkraut. You will thank me for it. Please like and comment. Bye.